Alright, so here we got a 2009 Dodge Ram 5.7. Condenser fan's broke. As you can see, we got, that's the high side thing. The fan connector's down there. Right down here somewhere. I'll get it out. It's this. So, it's got one bolt here at the top, and then one bolt right here at this side. Take those two out. As you can see, take those two rubber grommets with it, and then it'll just pull out the bottom. And so we'll go ahead and get this changed, and that's that. So, alright, upon the reflection of how this actually goes in, it doesn't come out easily. Take this loose, take that loose. You have to evacuate the AC system and take this line loose, that line loose, undo this crossbar, move it out of the way. So you take that, I gotta tighten that one back. But yeah, take that loose too, move the crossbar. It's a lot easier to go out and in than you'll never get this thing out unless you try to move this box, but that'd be silly. It's just like this whole shroud is all the way around this thing, and it was just a pain. So yeah, just 3 bolts and then 4 bolts, and just move it. And then this, you might be, I don't think you can get it out without disconnecting the AC lines, but if you're trying it at home, go for it. Worst thing it'll do is not work, but you do have to unplug this connector, and then the connector that plugs it directly into the fan. So you just kind of set them to the side, and that's how it goes. But then there's bolts. There's bolt here, bolt there, and bolt there that connect the condenser to the shroud. So that's what really gets you. If it wasn't like all around the thing, then yeah, if it was like every other fans I've ever done, Hondas, Subarus, Volkswagens, you just pull the fan up, put the fan down. But no, they gotta encase this one all the way. So yell at your Dodge dealer or your Dodge engineer if you want to get mad at somebody. But that's pretty much the easiest way I can think of. So hope that helps, and hope it works. Good luck. This is supposed to be the weep hole. Somebody clip that. Change your door fluid, please.